Guys, okay, to the stage here now where I'm gonna start wiring up the coils. So like these two and these two, all four of them will be in series, and then these two and these two, they'll all be in series, but separate from each other. They each run off of different battery banks. But here I've got a 12-volt battery using this one right here. This is the negative wire, here's the positive wire. Yeah, bitch. I do have this, but I can do it, but it's hard when it's on the rotor. You gotta put it in between, and like it's always on north, so if I turn the coil on and it stays north, then it's north. But if it goes south, then I know it's south, right? But I still prefer to do it like this, and I'll show you why. So here, I'll put it to the way I know that it's supposed to be, because I've already checked it already. So just connect them together here. So now I'll make the connection. Oops. Hard to film and do this, but you can see like it affects the rotor a lot. I have a light bulb in series with it too, just to so it doesn't put so much current to the coils. So but now here I'll just switch it over to where the coils will cancel themselves out. I should have put you guys on a tripod for this, but I just want to make a quick video to show how I do it. It's pretty simple. Has a connection there now, so now I connect over here. Oops. Sorry about the shitty camera work, guys. You see it's not doing nothing to that rotor. I'll spin the rotor up a bit, and it's just like it's not even there. You see the lights turning on. They just cancel each other out, just like they're not even there. Just back. I should be able to stop it dead. That's how you know. It's pretty easy to do. So what I'll do next is I'll do these two. I'll do the same thing, and then I'll put them in series with four of them. Because if you just do another one, then they're out of balance and the rotor will still try to move. It'll be harder to tell. So if you do two, then everything's in balance. When you do connect all four of them together, you'll be able to tell if it's canceling each other out or not. Hope that helps. Appreciate you guys watching.